Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to check if you've won the DV lottery. The Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, also known as the DV Lottery, is a program that allows people from countries with low rates of immigration to the United States to apply for a chance to obtain a green card. Each year, the U.S. government randomly selects 55,000 applicants from around the world to receive green cards. If you've applied for the DV lottery, you're probably wondering how to find out if you've won. The good news is that checking your DV lottery status is easy and can be done online. To check if you've won the DV lottery, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the official DV Lottery website. The website is dvlottery.state.gov. Step 2. Click on the Entrant Status Check link. This link is located on the right-hand side of the page. Step 3. Enter your confirmation number. This number is the unique number that you received when you submitted your DV lottery application. If you've lost your confirmation number, don't worry. You can retrieve it by clicking on the Forgot Confirmation Number link on the same page. Step 4. Enter your last name. Make sure you enter your last name exactly as it appears on your DV lottery application. Step 5. Enter your year of birth. Step 6. Finally, click on the Submit button. If you've won the DV lottery, you'll receive a notification on the screen with instructions on what to do next. You'll also receive an email with further instructions. If you haven't won, you'll receive a notification stating that you haven't been selected. It's important to note that the U.S. government does not notify DV lottery winners by mail, email, or phone. The only way to find out if you've won is by checking your status online. In conclusion, checking your DV lottery status is easy and can be done online. Follow the steps we've outlined in this video to find out if you've won the DV lottery. Good luck to all of our viewers who have applied. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. Don't forget to also follow us on our social media accounts for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.